insert two harmonic means between 8 over 9 and 8 over 15. How we do this? To insert harmonic means between two terms of harmonic progression, we simply take the reciprocal of a given terms, insert arithmetic means between these terms, and take reciprocals again, because we don't have equation for the n term of harmonic progression. So we use the definition of harmonic progression, that the sequence is called harmonic progression if the reciprocals of its terms form arithmetic progression. So we will use this definition. When we take reciprocal of harmonic progression, we will have arithmetic progression. So first we will take reciprocals of our harmonic of our two given terms. So reciprocal of 8 over 9 is 9 over 8, and 8 over 15 is 15 over 8. We have first term and the last term of arithmetic progression, and we have to find two harmonic means, so we have to find the two terms between the first term of arithmetic progression and the last term of arithmetic progression. So this is our A1, A2, A3, A4. We have to find A2 and A3 of arithmetic progression first. When we find A2 and A3 of arithmetic progression, we will take reciprocal again, and we will have two terms of harmonic progressions. This will be two harmonic means. So how we find the A2 and A3? Because this is arithmetic progression, we need to find the canon difference D to calculate the second and the third term of arithmetic progression. Let me remind you formula for the n term of arithmetic progression. An is equal A1 plus n minus 1 times D. In our equation, we have given first term, A1 is 9 over 8. We have given the last term, so in our example A4 is 15 over 8. What else? N for 8, 4 is equal 4. So n is equal 4. So now when we substitute to this equation, we can write the A4 term of arithmetic progression is A1 plus n we substitute by 4 minus 1 times D. A4 we have given that this is 15 over 8. A1 is 9 over 8 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 times D. And now if this equation is only canon difference, D. So we will solve this equation for D. I will move 9 over 8 to the left side. So we have 15 over 8 minus 9 over 8. So this is equal 3D. Subtraction fraction, denominators we have the same, so we copy the numerator. 15 minus 9 is 6. This is equal 3D. So because we need to find the D, so we will multiply both sides by 1 over D to reduce 1 over 3 to reduce this 3. So 3 and 3 will reduce, and what we have here is multiplication of fraction. 1 times 6 is 6, 3 times 8 is 24. This is equal, D times 1 is D. We have D, the canon difference of our arithmetic progression. what else we can do? We have 6 and 24, so we can reduce by 6. So we have that d is equal 1 over 24 divided by 6 is 4. So d is equal 1 over 4. When we have the canon difference of arithmetic progression, now we can find the second term and the third term. Let me remind you, we have first term is 9 over 8 of our arithmetic progression. A2, from definition of arithmetic progression, what it is, to A1 we have to add the canon difference, d. So A1 is 9 over 8 plus d, we calculate that this is 1 over 4. So this is equal, to add these two fractions, we need to have the same denominators. We will multiply 4 by 2. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So we have 9 over 8 plus 2 over 8. So this is equal. Addition fractions, we copy denominator, we have the same. 9 plus 2 is 11. So we have the second term of our arithmetic progression. So now you can find the third term. Third term is A2 plus d. A2 we calculate is 11 over 8 plus d is 1 over 4. So again, to have the same denominator, we multiply 4 by 2, the same with numerator. So we have 11 over 8 plus 2 over 8. So this is equal 8. In the numerator we copy, 11 plus 2 is 13. So we have the third term of our arithmetic progression. Because we have to find two harmonic means, it means we have to find two terms of harmonic progression. So what we have to do now, we have to take the reciprocal of these two terms. Reciprocal of 11 over 8 is 8 over 11, and reciprocal of 13 over 8 is 8 over 13. And this is our two harmonic means. This is my solution.